Hey guys! So this is Mark and once again, welcome back to the Marc channel. And ayun na naman tayo guys. So nandito na naman tayo sa mall and we're here at Greenbelt. But don't think further guys kasi it's not the usual content because today I'm with my tita and she is having her eyebrows be microbladed. So later guys, definitely interviewin natin siya of how was her microblading experience. But definitely it was a very interesting one kasi super tagal na niyang gusto mag-microblade. And finally, today is the day that she had the courage to do it. And while waiting for her, I'm actually walking around Greenbelt. And you know what guys? Ano nangyari? It's so funny because just a while ago at home, my mom asked me if okay ba yung sapatos ko. And sabi ko okay naman. And I even check on it guys actually. So wala lang akong video but super okay siya. Then when I arrived Greenbelt, what's funny is napansin ko but parang yung sole dun sa right side is natatanggal na. So grabe, I had to visit pa Aldo, ganyan. So, ayan, binanggit na talaga Aldo. But, yeah, of course, I got a pair of slides from Aldo and I'll show you later some clips, guys. Ayan. So, and super dami tao kanina sa Aldo. So, medyo konting clips lang yung na-shoot ko doon. And, but anyway, I really like these slides. Pero hindi ko lang siya binili kasi medyo mahal. But, today, binili ko na. Well, not because walang choice, but really, kasi I like it eh. And of course, meron naman silang installment. So, I use the Atome app. So, yun siya guys. And of course, I hope you enjoy this video. And if you haven't yet watched my other videos, don't forget to do so. And if you do, hope you can stay in this video and let's explore. Ayan.
Ikaw, ano bibili mo? Ito, walang gasgas o ito, malinis ang puwet?
Yan, may gasgas ba?
Ito ang may gasgas eh.
This one, ano?
Ha?
Yeah.
Kasi nasa ilalim naman namin. Kasi nang
Ito 700 plus. Ito yung pang travel. Ito 1,001. Ha?
Ay, ito kailangan kasi ito, babe. Kasi naka-travel seat si mami mo. So, pag naubos yung toothpaste niya dyan, so ito kailangan niya. Hindi siya kailangan ng malaki.
Actually guys, so I can show you naman the broken sneakers that I was saying earlier. And it's actually a pair of Adidas na Pure Boost na sneakers. Super favorite ko pa naman siya guys. And I actually got this pa before the pandemic. So as you can see, it's in an Aldo box. Ayan. Kasi syempre, I did not bring naman the box of the Adidas, di ba? Since I'm wearing it, yeah. But anyway, here is the sneakers. So grabe, as in the right sole is almost ano na matatanggal na talaga. Like 10% na lang yung natirang nakadikit with the outer sole. So ayun siya guys. And it's super ganda pa naman niya. But I'll have this of course repaired. And pwede pa naman siyang I believe na ipadikit. Ayan. So that's, pero yung left niya guys, it's really super, ay actually masisira na rin pala. So it's about to be separated na din from the outer sole. Separated. Yeah, Pero syempre, I'll make paayos pa of this. Kasi, of course, sayang din naman. And like around 10 times ko pa lang siya nasusuot because nag-pandemic ng 2 taon. And alam nyo naman guys that I didn't really get out of the house like for the past 2 years. So mga 10 beses lang. As in, from 2020 until 2022. So medyo nung nag-level 1 na lang, medyo I get to, get out and vlog ganyan. And ayun, so when I got this pair of slides na from Aldo guys, so I'll show na rin pala, ayan. So this is actually the pair of slides from Aldo. So gustong-gusto ko siya because it's inspired by Yeezy, which is the Yeezy popular slides. So and yung color niya is very neutral. So yeah, earth color. So madali siyang turn on. And buti na lang yung pants ko today is very baggy with it. So at least hindi rin nasayang yung bago kong biniling slides kasi dahil favorite ko naman talaga siya ever since. Like, ano na yung mga 4 months na yata. So, every time I visit Greenbelt, so halos tinitingnan ko siya but I don't usually buy it kasi nga medyo, well, yeah, kinda expensive. But of course, madali siyang turn on because it's really for pang everyday, yeah. Diba? So, ito yung slide zone na nabili ko, guys. Yan. So, enough of that. Parang ang daldal ko, no, guys. Diba? Sinisi pa yung kadaldalan, eh. No? Hindi. Para lang may mabili, no? Hindi. Yeah, so it's a good excuse to buy it. Excuse ba? Akala mo naman na may pambili. But, no, of course, I have to buy. Siyempre, nakaya naman that, no, matanggal pa siya later and, diba? So, buti na lang, nakita ko siya agad, eh. And yun, I'll also show you yung, kasi parang, the guy who assisted me, which is Gerald. He's Gerald of Aldo Greenbelt. So, galing siyang college spring Numa, by the way. So, if nandito kayo sa Aldo Greenbelt, just look for Gerald. Just visit Gerald. Just look for Gerald. So, he's very, talaga, customer friendly and super galing niya mag-assist. And he also offered me this one, yung Multi Protector, and it's really good for tropical countries, especially during the rainy season here in the Philippines. Syempre, diba guys, so tatatakot tayong maulanan yung shoes natin. So, and he told me na yung mga like leather na mga branded, yung mga signature, and even yung sneakers na Adidas, Nike, or whatsoever, no, you can actually spray it with this one. And one-time spray lang siya guys, kasi akala ko like every time you use it, you have to spray it. So sabi niya, it's a one-time use lang pala. So when you spray it, then the following day, you wait for 24 hours, then you can wear it. And then, incidentally, paglabas mo ng bahay guys, pag umulan siya, so ang mangyari lang with the water, instead of getting inside the shoes, magsaslide lang siya dun sa surface. Kasi nga, parang may protector na siya. So, diba, we're so afraid to wear sneakers na canvas. Kasi nga, pag umulan ng malakas, so papasok din yung tubig sa kanya. So, ito na yung solusyon guys. So, ito na yung solusyon sa malaki nating problema. Kaya, ayan. So, pwede rin pala siya guys for bags. Ayan. So, itong leather bag which is a Balenciaga. So, my mom bought this lang for me last year. So, parang birthday gift na din. So, pwede mo rin siyang sprayan, guys. So, but I won't spray it now because I'm using it. But later when I get home, syempre, isa-spray ko siya. So, ayan. Para pag after 24 hours, pwede ko na siyang gamitin ulit. And kapag naulanan, so, protected siya. So, ayun siya, guys. So, diba guys, hindi lang ako nakabili ng sapatos na panibago, no, na slides, ng tsinelas. Nakabili pa ako ng pang-protector. So, yung mga ganitong bagay kasi guys, yung something that we need to invest on. Diba? May pa-investment pang okay, kala mo naman nag-i-invest talaga yun. Hindi, syempre, aside from investing on relationships, you also invest on things like this. Diba? Napasok pa no, diba? So, pag feel yung napasok siya, just comment it down below. Okay. Ayun guys, so while also waiting si tita, kasi earlier she already had her eyebrows, parang, kasi when you will do microblading guys, diba, you will have to parang sketch it. But anyway, yeah, so she already had her anesthesias and she had to wait for around 45 minutes. And so kanina, she also bought a Swiss brand na toothbrush. Kasi she needs it for her parang, I think, molars or interdental something. But yeah, but anyway, according to her, a Swiss toothbrush is really very good. So medyo pricey lang siya guys. It's around 340 yata. So as you can see in the clips, diba guys, yun. May pagka-expensive siya. Yeah. But of course, it's really very worth it according to her. But this is her first time to hear about the brand. But she knew it about na pala na parang yung mga Swiss na toothbrush is really very good and good quality talaga. But actually she is also wanting to get the not the toothbrush but the toothpaste din, pero medyo mahal lang and it's nakaset. So she will return na lang if naging okay siya with the toothbrush. But anyway, while also waiting for her guys, so may nakuha rin akong Sunny Studios na sunglass. Kasi I have for the longest time, like since before 2020 pa yun nung nag-pandemic, naghahanap ako ng sunglass. So, pero Gentle Monster, hindi ko pa siya afford guys. So next time na lang yun. And eto, so I chose a circle one kasi parang sabi nila yung face ko, so makanto. Makanto, so may jawline. So kumuha na lang ako ng parang pabilog. But I don't like the cat's eye kasi, well, it's not bagay with me. So ang kinuha ko na lang yung medyo, not really the circle, but parang oval. Kasi medyo malaki din daw yung face ko yun. So comment down below if bagay ba. Ayan, so I can definitely use it for my shoots. Diba guys? Ayan, so pag umaanggal ako sa camera. Ayan. So just comment down below kung do you like it ba? Ayan. Hey guys, so I just got home from Greenbelt and my aunt already fetched us home, and so I'm gonna show you na on how to protect your shoes nga against the rainy weather. And I'm gonna use this Multi Protector Spray from Aldo, which I also got earlier, and I'm going to actually try it on my shoes na. Ayan, so yeah, so this is an Adidas sneakers. So, the salesman already taught me how to spray it, and you actually spray it lang on the top part. So, you don't spray it on the outer sole, the one stepping on the floor. Yeah. You can spray it also on the sides, but yun nga, hindi siya sa ilalim. Nahirapan pa sa Tagalog. Anyway, okay, so this is, you spray talaga all over as in basang-basa siya. So, that's why when you spray the sneakers, you don't wear it immediately after. So, you have to let it dry up for 24 hours, guys. So, ito siya. Ayan, I'll put it na lang on the table. Ayan. So, what happens right now, it's basang-basa. So, it provides a protective layer to the sneakers. So the following day when you wear it outside, tapos biglang umulan guys, so what happens to the water is it slides down instead of papasok siya dun sa sneakers, making your feet basa also. So yun siya. So of course, it really protects your shoes. So it's really a very effective and useful maintenance spray. Yeah. So of course, when we buy things, we have to also maintain them properly. Ayan. So, and I'm going to spray na the other foot, the right foot. Yeah. And then I'll have it lang here in my closet lang para mag-dry up siya. Ayan. And then, I'm also, ayan, so I've already shown you how to spray. Then I'm also gonna spray, pwede rin siya in any color guys, kahit even in your leather bags, ganyan. So it's not just on mga sneakers na made of canvas, so pwede rin siya sa leather. And even yung mga signature brands like LV and whatsoever. Yeah. Ayan, and then also this one naman is a Nike. Ayan, so I'm gonna spray na din. So it's medyo kinda dirty na because I have worn it already several times. But still, I'm gonna spray. Siyempre para maprotektahan din siya. And of course, sayang naman yung pinag-invest natin na sneakers if we will not maintain it properly, diba? Yeah. Eh ako pa naman, I also like to get shoes because you can get out of the house, diba guys, without wearing a pair of shoes. Yan. So, I hope may natutunan kayo dito guys. Yan. Alright, so that's it guys for today's episode, and of course I hope you learned so much about microblading, about sneakers, yun nga. So one tip about sneakers guys is of course dapat you have to store it properly, and yun nga, one way na din na para hindi siya magmo-moist or yung magkaka-molds, yung parang brown na batik-batik, is to apply this on all your yun nga, leather goods, shoes, bags, ganyan. So it helps. So it's part of the maintenance actually guys. So aside from putting desiccants in your cabinet, kasi iba yung desiccants pala guys. I also learned it from Gerald earlier. So hindi pala siya enough pa. So you need desiccants but you also need this. Kasi meron siyang specific chemicals that na hindi siya magpapaamag pa sa'yo. So talagang mag-extend yung kanyang not validity sasabihin ko, yung pagiging effective ng product, and yun nga, magiging good quality pa rin siya even after several uses, di ba? So, and of course, yun nga, I've also shared with you the microblading experience, and I hope you don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the bell if you haven't yet for you to be notified of my future videos. And guys, please also don't forget to support me on my other socials, which is flash na rin on the screen. On my right, yeah. On my right, dito pa. But anyway, yeah. Hindi alam kung saan lalagay yung editing. Hindi, cut that na lang. It's also on the screen na din, guys. And, yeah, please support na rin me. And thank you so much for watching this vlog. And I hope to see you once again. And I love you all so much. This has been the Marc of the Marc channel. And thank you and bye-bye.